Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a concept map on Canva. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we want to do is open up Canva and sign into your account, or you can create a free account for this. Now from here we need to start a new design. So on the home tab where it says search millions of templates, go ahead and type in concept map and then hit enter. Then from here we'll be taken to Canva's search results where we can see all the different type of templates here. So you go and have a browse and find which concept map you'd like to use. Now these are free, and also if you hover over the, I've got a little crown there, so that means that this is a premium template, so you need to upgrade your account to Canva Pro to use these premium templates. So if you want the free version, that works well, but if you found one that you like that's premium, go ahead and sign up the premium. So for this demonstration, I like this concept map and this is free, so click into it. Now from here, click on the customize template. Then it's going to open up the template inside of Canva. You can see it here. So basically search for the template that suits your needs. Then from here we can go ahead and customize the template. So we can change the colors, fonts and sizes to make it visually clear by clicking on different parts of the template here. So I want to change this color, I can click on the thing, click change the color. Also we can change the text, change the size, make it bold, etc. There's a lot of customizations. We can delete the images on the right and add different ones or your own. So these are fully customizable. Now you want to go ahead and keep the hierarchy clear. So you want to have the main idea up the top and then your subtopics and then details. Align and space out elements using the canvas position and tidy up tools. Now once you're ready, you can save or share. So on the top right hand corner of the page, we're going to click on the share button. We can download it, we can copy link and share it to our friends and family.